and also move it this way. Feels good. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to give yourself a scalp massage. Yes, you may ask, why should I massage my scalp? Yeah, there are lots of benefits it gives. Scalp massage releases tension in your forehead, neck and head, and they can be extremely relaxing. Yes, the good thing about it is that you don't need anyone else to do this for you. You can actually do it by yourself. And if you like to see how I do this and to grow my hair, please stay tuned. And for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Joy. On this channel, I talk about natural hair. I also talk about gray hair, lifestyle, beauty, and I do a little vlog. And in fact, I also talk about a little bit about everything. Yeah, if you like to join the family, just go ahead and hit the subscribing button and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video from me again. With that being said, let's get into the video. Run your hands through your hair from front to back. I'm being gentle because I have braid on, okay? So I don't cut my hair from the roots. Okay, just little pressure. The second one we're going to do is use circular motion from front to back. Okay, so let's go. With little pressure. Circular motion, okay? Make sure you're not dragging your hair down there. It's your scalp that needs to be moved and not the hair. Do you understand? The hair is not to be moved, but the scalp. Okay, gentle. The next one we're going to do, that's the third one, is to reverse the direction. That is circular motion. That is using circular motion from back to front. Okay, yeah. Guys, I am very gentle in doing this. The video is on speed, okay? So be very gentle so you don't break your hair. I don't know whether you can see. Do you see my fingers? I'm not pushing the hair, okay? I am pushing my scalp in circular motion. Okay, this is what I'm doing. I am not pushing the hair. No. If you do that, you will end up breaking your hair and pulling it up. Okay, so I'm not pushing my hair. What I'm pushing is the scalp. Okay, just put your hands on your scalp and move it circular motion. That is how to do it, because when you move your hair, you will end up pulling your hair and you break it. Okay, so the mission will not be achieved. That is not what we want. So back to the front. Okay, gently. Yeah. So the next one we're going to do, that's the fourth one, is to repeat the movements, okay, from front to back. In circular motion, okay, we'll just be going back. Okay, come up again from front to back, circular motion. Yeah, just put your finger's tip on your scalp. Put it there on your scalp and just be moving it. Remember, do not move the hair. Okay, so let's keep going. Little pressure, okay? Yeah. Come up again. Gentle. Okay. Also to this side, repeat the movements from front to back. Circular motion, okay? Keep going. So the next one we're going to do, place your hands on your scalp, okay, and move your arms just like this. Wow. I hope you got that. Okay, put your hands on your scalp and move your arms. Oh my god, I hope by now you should be feeling heat on your scalp. Yes, it works. Ooh. Yeah, like move your hands up and down. Okay, yeah, and also move it this way. Feels good. This one is going to be tug gently on a ponytail if you can. If your hair is long, and now just put the hair together, gather the hair together and just move it around. Wow. Gently. feels amazing. Oh my god. Oh, okay guys, so this is how you can massage your scalp and more. There are other ways you can massage your scalp, okay? And the last one will be rub your ears to finish up, okay? Here. Yeah. Gently. Gently, gently, gently. Rub your ears to finish up, okay? Yeah. Yeah. And I'll go over to this side. Yes. Guys, I'm being very gentle, okay? I'm just speeding the video up so it doesn't get bored. Being gentle, okay? Yeah. That's it, guys. Yes. Okay, guys, that'll be all from me. I hope this was helpful. Okay, try and do this all the time. Maybe twice a day. You can be watching your television and you just massage your scalp, okay? You don't need to take all the steps. You can just do whatever you feel like doing, okay? It works. It works. And please, very, very important, before you go on massaging your scalp, put some oils on your fingertips, okay? So the hair is not dry and your finger is not dry, okay? So that it can make it a little bit more for free movements. I don't know whether that makes sense, but just try as much as you can not to start on a very dry hair, okay? If not, you end up breaking your hair. All what we are doing is the ways to grow the hair, okay? And you try to avoid anything that will hinder that. I don't know whether I'm making sense. Okay guys, that will be all from me today, and I hope this was helpful. If it was helpful to you, be sure to share with your family and friends and leave me a comment on the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. I'll see you all in my next one, and as always, thanks for watching and bye. Stay safe. Yeah, bye.